गाड़ी किसी को खाली तीरी लगना हो
Oh yes. Some people, like can just boom very quickly get into jet plane, and others are still
नहीं
very
वो ओरिजिनल जो आइडिया, the one I think I told earlier, मंजू जो हमारा एक गुरु है उसने मुझे बताया था बिगिनिंग में कि it is like there is a fire everywhere, right? In the beginning there was fire, Mahapralaya. Then a Chingari number 1 came. And a Chingari number 2 came. They are both part of the fire.
Same fire.
But they are different. And they start interacting with each other. So it is like a snow tire. And you are accumulating snow as you are going along on the tire. So you start accumulating your karmas, desires and everything, and you are interacting with each other. And you keep going through many lifetimes. Then it has become so much snow on the tire, then you start discarding them gradually. And
so it is a reverse process.
Yeah, reverse process. So then ultimately you want to discard everything and finally you merge with the fire.
Okay.
So maybe in the last life somebody is a rishi and somebody may be having whatever is left, you do that. So it's not like everybody has to get the moksha the same way.
No, they don't.
It has to be done by what you have not done yet. So let's say you have 10,950th life and now you have these 4 things left. Like you are given an assignment that's where you have to complete. So maybe that is your last life.
But they also say, which tell me if you have heard the same thing, that every time you take a human birth, you are given a chance to burn up all your sanchit karmas. Yeah, you are given a chance. If something happens.
That is what we think.
No, that's
what all the
No, because the one who got it, he wouldn't worry about it.
Correct.
See, this is.
No, I agree. But what I'm trying to say.
कर्म एकदम छिन्न होने लगता है, तब तुमको ये.
But see, everything else is theory.
I see what both of you are saying.
What I'm trying to say is that this human species, they have the ability to think, ability to realize what's happening. That doesn't mean salvation. It really means that you are able to understand things.
I know, but what it is that in here in Bhagavad Gita, they don't call it mukti after death. They call it jivan mukti. That means these people, like suppose somebody like Ramakrishna Paramhans or Vivekananda, whoever, they are realized souls. They're still going through their karma, but they're not affected by it. They are looking at it as a play. So जो उनका जो बचा कुचा कर्म है वो भी वो करेंगे. तभी तो उनको कैंसर हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ. All that, you cannot get rid of the karmic thing. That's why Rama and Krishna also had to. If somebody was saying, if you look at their life, it was not bed of roses by any means. Nobody would want to be in their shoe. What they had to go.
Exactly opposite of bed
but they were Krishna Bhagavan तो बंसी बजाते हुए गए. He did not get affected. That's what he's trying to teach us. Jivan mukti right now, salvation right now, Turiya state right now. That's what it is.
Yeah,
and then when they want to come back, they come back on their own will.
They come back to serve.
They don't come back like we are hurled back into the world because we are like in that, not in Turiya state. So we have to do our karma. They are so free, they might come just for other reasons, to help other people out. So that's what it is.
Did we follow you, Jogendra? थोड़ा सा हमको थोड़ा सा नॉलेज मिला कि नहीं मिला आपके वो जो लास्ट स्टेटमेंट्स है?
नहीं, एक्चुअली क्या है कि
I think he meant something different.
अब बोलो.
No, because to me, I'm separating the facts from theory. Fact is what is your own experience, because that is the fact for you.
Mm-hmm.
Theory is what is others' experience. Okay. Now
theory is, I would say, हम लोग के शास्त्र. That is the theory. ये है, and then you have to reach that goal. तुम ऐसे जाओ, चाहे तुम ऐसे जाओ, तुम ऐसे जाओ, जैसे जाओ.
Yeah. So
you do your own experiment and see the results.
Yeah, because you will do according to your nature, according to your karma, according to your this thing.
Oh, one more point about human life, since you were saying that only human. They say that, and correct me if I'm wrong, that they say human life is the only one where you can either get rid of your karmic thing or add more karma. The animals is just a program life.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
उनका तो
these are all
I think, no, what I'm
these
trying
are
to
all
tell-
theories created by
No, no,
Yeah.
even logically you can see, अगर वो जो lion है वो meat ही खाएगा, okay? And if only human makes that question, they can go this way or that way. मैं ये करूँ या ना करूँ? Their animals are so programmed कि वो वैसा
yeah,
घुसा बनाता
Sadhguru
है तो
says
वैसा
very
ही
nicely
बनाता है.
in his
See,
lectures about this.
we-
Yeah, yeah, right. So
Yeah.
most of the realized
no,
people, they will
but
tell
we
you.
don't know. You study ants. Ants are just like human.
Not just like, we're talking about beyond
No,
that.
but they are
No, I
programmed
mean-
to their
Program. That's
going
what I'm
for
saying.
sugar. They will not go
Humans
for
are the
salt.
only one which think, wherever I come from, who is behind all? Ants is
No,
not
the
here.
ants are thinking same.
You know, पेट भर
This is
गया
what
तो
I'm
भी
telling
time
you.
will चाहिए
If you go
उनको.
study of ants, they have a study of ants. I don't know if you have ever taken care of, studied that. There's a whole MIT group working on
No,
ants.
I know what you're saying. What
They strategize.
I personally,
They
with all
strategize.
everything that I've
No,
read,
like they are looking for food. Okay, so one ant they will send a scout out. It will go smell, and then they smell it. They come back. Then the
That's
whole
not what I'm talking
colony
about.
comes.
that is
They
still the
work
worldly
together.
things. मुझे खाना है और they are good to each
No,
other.
I'm,
they
all I'm
follow
saying is
dharma and everything.
no, but we don't know what we are thinking, because when people were saying, how come all the souls they come back? They were only few million there. Now they are billion. So the
Because
idea is the souls interchange. There are billions of ants all over the world, and they
But
have the same
mukti-
life.
But do we believe that mukti can only happen in human life? That's what I'm
I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
That's
and
what I
by the
believe.
way,
Yeah,
that's
they
what
say that
I am
mukti can happen
questioning.
only in human
Yeah,
life.
but that's what I'm questioning right now. Really, it's a profound thing. I mean, I've looked at this, all this. The human life really is not the way towards the salvation. Human life is the way for you to realize that there is a way.
Yeah, so only when you realize you will do
Yes.
हाँ, मैं तो
action
कितने
towards
human
it.
being will खाए सोए enjoy किया और हो गए. You know,
But
99
why do
years are
saints
gone.
say again and again that human
They
life is
will
so
not
precious?
take,
Human
you know,
life is so
beyond.
precious.
Human life is precious because it wakes you up.
Yeah, that's where you have
it
this.
wakes you up in your life in the. But I do believe it really is that there is life. There is what we call something what we call life beyond the human life, and there is we are in the hierarchy. If you look at the low level of intellect or life, intellect is the way to the ability to discriminate, correct? So when you're talking about the ants have ability to discriminate. But when we look at it, the way we know it, human life reaches at the top. But I believe that there is so much more to go beyond that.
That's why we are studying this. That's exactly they're saying this. Your human life is just still in this realm. There is something beyond.
See, I'm looking at the ants as the human
I know.
life.
But there is one thing that we all have to kind of surrender to, and since we have come to study the Vedanta, that we cannot move forward if we have our own theory.
Right.
We need to go back to Vedanta and
Yeah.
say
Yeah,
why
we
it is
have
saying,
to.
and
It
we
has
have
to
to
be
faith
basis
in
is
it,
this.
Yeah.
and then we have to shatter our own theories.
Yeah.
If we don't, we'll be totally
Yeah.
stuck.
Exactly.
No, it's not a question of theory, it's a question of your thinking.
No, I know,
Our
but
thinking-
our
and questioning is a very healthy thing.
no,
to do.
questioning is
It-
definitely.
It allows us to explore.
It's something like this that when Krishna Bhagwan and since all of us revere Gita, then let's discuss a little bit about that before we go forward, because this is important. Krishna Bhagwan and Arjun is having a conversation. In the first chapter, Arjun gives all the arguments why he should not fight.
Right.
And they'll sound so wonderful. Hey, I don't want to kill my
Vishad.
cousins.
Yeah.
Hey, you said that the meditation is better. Why don't I go to the jungle? Why you want me to do the blah, blah, blah. Krishna Bhagwan said, हाँ बोल ले जितना बोलना है. फिर Arjun says, I surrender to you. I'm so confused. I don't know. You teach me. And then in the second chapter, Krishna Bhagwan gave the entire knowledge. They say chapter 2, if your
Yeah,
father told
of
you,
Atma.
it's a whole Vedanta is there in chapter
Yeah,
2.
right.
And then पूरा बोल लिया फिर अर्जुन हाँ भाई कृष्ण बोला ठीक है but
But.
वो 18 चैप्टर चले.
Yeah.
So he opened it up. But कृष्ण भगवान को के भी उसने सरेंडर किया कि भाई आपको ज़्यादा मालूम है. If I have a doubt, please clear it.
Yeah, right.
And Krishna Bhagwan had to shatter all his wrong thinking.
Right.
You are not the body, you are not the mind, because that's what we think.
So that's why we are trying to get shattered.
Yes, so when we come to Vedantic class, it's very important. And if we don't understand something, if I don't understand, I need to go to a wiser person.
Right.
Go find a Swami. Hey, please tell me what it is. It is a conversation. So it is very important that we don't hold on to our thing. If you hear something different, it is to do manana. Go home, study that. Nobody's saying, without convincing, it's not going to happen.
Right.
In the first time when I started Vedanta, and they told you, and some of our friends, we talk about that too. They say, you are not the body. And for 3 days, we were like, how that's possible?
Oh, sometimes it takes 3 lifetimes.
No, I know. But I'm saying that it tells you something ulta. And that's why when we did that verse, he's talking about, जो उसके लिए दिन है, वो दूसरे के लिए रात है.
Actually,
रात का दिन है. Whatever beliefs we have, we got to shatter them. And we were discussing that how when people get sick or die, and people who are totally established, they don't cry, they don't behave like worldly people, and other people make fun of them, they get angry at them that ये क्या पत्थर है कि क्या है? But it's not that he's patthar, he's just dancing to a different
No, when
tune.
my father died, that vibration in the room was so beautiful. I didn't
You
want
were
to
looking
cry.
at that beautiful
I
spiritual.
didn't want to cry, because
You wanted to.
that vibration was so beautiful. I didn't want to lose that.
Yeah.
And to me, it was such a realization that death is so beautiful. That इतना अच्छा vibration था वो room का, that ward boy and myself, हम लोग खाली देख रहे थे ऐसे. And then I realized what had happened, and I wanted to keep quiet about it because I didn't want the ward boy to ring the bell, and I didn't want them to revive him.
Right. Because you wanted him to just pass.
Yeah,
in a nice
कि
way.
पूरा आराम से, and it was really beautiful. And 2 days before he had told me that मेरे को वापस मत बुलाना, मेरे को भगवान बुला रहा है, I'm going, my time has come.
Yeah.
And
So I
it
think
was,
that
but just that feeling, कि इतना अच्छा vibration, and you can't imagine, कि it can be so beautiful.
Yeah. And I think that's why I think Chinmayanand ji makes many times that statement that
Now, can
sometimes
we
we have
see
all these theories and we have to break those theories and do mananam on what
Right.
they are saying, because that's what it is. And that's why we are studying.
मतलब और कोई भी गुरु भी होता हैगा तो the test of a guru is also कि वो उसका पूरा जो teaching है should be शास्त्रों के अनुसार, कि शास्त्रों में जो लिखा है उसके अनुसार ही होना चाहिए.
And आपके जो स्वामी जी थे, जो मैंने सुना 4 लेक्चर, उसमें उन्होंने बताया सर्वप्रियानंद जी ने कि मैंने ये कहानी सुनी थी कि जो चिन्मयानंद जी के गुरु थे ना, तपोवन महाराज, वो सिर्फ एक बार पढ़ाते थे. और जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता था तो बोलते थे जाके सोचो, 2 दिन के बाद आओ.
उसको डायसेक्ट बाइसेक्ट अपना करा के
और फिर अगर 2-3 दिन के बाद सोच के आए ना तो वो अपने clear हो जाता. So because when you tell something new, our brain doesn't want to accept it. It will say no. But then if Shastra is saying, because here 12 verses they have only, and they and I'm gonna, after we finish, I want everybody to hear that 3-minute ka. I have it on my of Sir Priyanand ji का example. उन्होंने कुछ बताया मांडुक्य के बारे में, और you hear it. But basically what it is they are so power packed that we cannot understand it that easy. I mean, look at it, 12 words का कितनी fat book बना दी उन्होंने.
Actually हम लोग को करना क्या है, कुछ नहीं करना है, खाली हम लोग को ब्रह्म देखना है. वो फूल की जगह उसको बनाने वाले को.
लेकिन कितना मुश्किल है वो देखना.
Okay, अभी हम मूवी देख सकते हैं.
कितना बजा अभी? 12:30 हो गए.
Let's see the movie.
Okay, we can see the movie.
हाँ, but लेकिन जोगेंद्र क्या बता रहे थे? You're saying something quick.
मेरे पीछे पड़ गया. I have this question. No, I have this question. I had a quest. Okay, personally.
Today was 25th. I thought of 24th. You coming on 24th.
Sorry, बोलो.
No. बाद में बात कर लेंगे. कोई नहीं.
अच्छा, सुनो. I really want you guys to hear this.
Yeah.
To us.
Yeah.
That I thought that everybody will get something out of this.
Please, very good, Sarvapriya.
Okay, so this is.
Gita, which has 18 chapters, because in this chapter, whatever Krishna has to teach, he teaches. And then Arjuna has questions additional details and fills in the teachings, as it were, over the remaining 16 chapters. It's a tendency, it's a style of writing of these ancient masters that they would first give you the highest teaching and then sort of look at it. Did it work? No? Did it? Okay. We'll step down.
Okay.
Did that work? No? Then we'll further details. We'll step down a little bit. Because they don't want to waste your time. You get it, you're enlightened, go. Ta-da. If not, we'll spend more time with you until you are enlightened. So, all that has to be said, Atma Jnana, the realization that you are Sat, pure existence, that has been taught in the second chapter. At the end of the second chapter, Arjuna asks this question, suppose I get enlightened, what will I be like? What's it like being enlightened?
You started that.
So it's a beautiful question, and in one of the most famous sections of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna answers that question. But before I go there, I just remembered a couple of things which I shared with you from the last presentation. There was a question yesterday, and today also a similar subject arose. Why at all did Brahman create all of this? Somebody asked, you speak of the shining ocean of existence. That sounds so nice. Brahman could have remained as the shining ocean of existence. Why all these names and forms? Why all these men and women and animals and plants and planets and stars? What further purpose is served? Well, one is that Brahman, to experience itself, it requires names and forms. Now, what I remembered was a story about the teacher with whom I mentioned in the last session, Tapovan Maharaj. He was a very austere, non-dualist Swami living in the Himalayas. He passed away sometime in the 50s or 60s, I think. So, there's a story about him and Swami Chinmayananda, the Chinmaya mission. And Swami Chinmayananda has written his reminiscences. The story answers this. When they were reading the Mandukya Upanishad, Tapovan Swami was teaching the monks studying under him the Mandukya Upanishad, which is the most powerful of the Upanishads, the smallest, only 12 mantras, and the most powerful. Again, the style of teaching is, if you get the highest teaching first, that's it. We don't want to waste your time. So, there's a story that Hanuman asks Rama, how do I get enlightenment? And Rama says, read the Mandukya Upanishad. Actually, it's there. The story says, Mandukyam ekamevalam mumukshunam vimuktai. What does it mean? For those who are seeking after liberation, that one text, Mandukya Upanishad, is enough to give you liberation. Suppose it doesn't work, and then he gives a list of 108 Upanishads. It doesn't work, then you come back here. We've got a whole library for you. So,
one more thing I want
when
to
they were studying this Mandukya Upanishad, at that time, it seems the Swami, the Chinmayananda, had a similar doubt. I understand the infinite existence, Sat, or pure consciousness, Chaitanya, or the same thing which is Ananda, Satchidananda. That's perfect. But what's all this? What's the point served in all of this? And so he asked this question, and the Swami, the teacher, did not reply, kept quiet. Next day, in the class, when the class was going on, remember it's the Himalayas, it's very cold, and the Ganges is flowing about 40-50 feet below in a gorge below them. The Swami suddenly said to the Swami, the teacher said to Swami Chinmayananda, you, go and get me some water. I want some water to drink. Swami was a little taken aback. He writes in his reminiscences that it's cold and usually the teacher does not ask for water at this time. Anyway, he takes a glass and goes down to the river and he scoops up a glass full of Ganges water and comes back. And the teacher, Tapovan Maharaj, immediately becomes furious. What is this? A glass of water. What did I ask you to bring? You asked for water. Yes, I asked for water. What is this glass?
You see that?
And Chinmayanji says, I was thunderstruck. All my questions have been answered at that time. About the formless water, you cannot get it without a container. cannot be experienced unless an objective element is introduced there. Go back to the story. God wants to play hide and seek.
You want to hear
But
the hide and seek story before we end?
Maybe
Now, how
she
can
has.
God play hide and
Few
seek?
more
When
minutes
can
and
God
stop.
get playmates? So God decides to pretend not to be God. It pretends to be space and time and causation and matter and energy and life, and evolves into all of us, and so God can play hide and seek with us. Only problem is God got too good at this game and totally forgot himself, and now God is suffering.
So anyway, I thought this was very relevant.
Very nice.
And especially the
Mandukya
हम लोग को
mission,
Mandukya, we are excited about it because we just picked the Mandukya. I said, wow, after I heard it, I said, I have to make
And
that
we
class.
wanted to start the class,
okay.
mission class. We wanted